Moving to the US, how do you see the latest round of sequestration from the US impacting US growth over the next year and then beyond that?
Well, there were some positives in the United States that led to some economic recovery, like the shale gas and oil revolution, the housing recovery, the effects of QE3, some job creation, some reshoring. Those are the positives, but now we have two fiscal shocks. The first one was the agreement on January 1st to raise taxes for the rich and the payroll tax that is almost 1.5% of GDP fiscal adjustment, and now we're going to have another 0.6 to 0.7% of GDP fiscal adjustment given this sequester. So the total adjustment could be over 2% of GDP with a fiscal drag on the economy of 1.5%. I think markets are becoming a bit too blasé about the sequester. I think they're underestimating how much the sequester, together with the increase in taxes and payroll tax, is going to imply a slowdown of disposable income growth, a reduction in aggregate demand, could weaken economies significantly, could weaken also corporate earnings. For now, the markets are being somehow cautious about that, but I think that the fiscal drag could be significant. And unfortunately, I think that the gridlock in the US Congress is still severe. Democrats don't want to put entitlement reform and cutting spending on the table. Republicans don't want to have any additional tax increases. And therefore, given the fight between the two sides that can veto each other, sequester could continue month after month. And the longer it continues, the bigger the economic negative effects on the US economy are going to be.